We are presenting a new gait analysis system that is a user-friendly, affordable, and accurate alternative to commercial gait systems.
The use of a semi-transparent floor and correct lighting creates high-contrast paw prints while obscuring the animal's body.
Our system can be used to assess motor function in a wide range of injury and disease models, such as spinal cord or nerve damage, neurodegenerative diseases, and neuromuscular disorders.
Both our gait apparatus and automated program, PrAnCER, can be easily adapted to fit different setups or animal models.
To set up a gait analysis walkway, place a clear plexiglass enclosed walkway on a clear plexiglass floor. And cover the floor with a piece of 16-pound drafting vellum cut to the same width as the walkway. Then, place a camera with at least 30 frames per second frame rate directly below the walkway to capture the middle of the track. And secure a strip of 12-volt light-emitting diode lights with 18 light-emitting diodes per foot approximately 2 inches away from and 1 inch above the floor of the walkway to illuminate the track. To habituate the animals to the walkway, place the rat home cage at the surface level at the end of the gait walkway to serve as a goal box, and allow the rat to walk from the hand down the length of the walkway to the home cage. Rats will often stop at the end of the walkway to look around before jumping down into the home cage. If a rat takes longer than 1 minute to exit the walkway, encourage the animal to enter the home cage with a gentle push. If the rat turns